Another day, another package with batteries. So let's see what we got here for product review for the YouTube channel. This is a wireless inflatable pump. We have had several of these in the past few weeks. We're gonna do the full review tomorrow when it's daylight. So I just came back from walking Simon on the bike, and I always feel that the tires are a little bit flat. It doesn't seem that much, but let's take the opportunity with this wireless inflatable pump, check the pressure on it. You also have this amazing Toyota Corolla GR, Michelin tires, high performance. We're gonna test it with that too. Let's take it out here. Original packaging, all the typical accessories, wire to charge it, the hose, this nice orange plastic wrap, and this is the one that you have to press the lever to do it. I have another ones that are better, I think, in my opinion, where you can just screw them in, but this one is okay. Let's see if, yes it is, look at that. Pretty similar to all the other ones. Here you can pick car, motorcycle, e-bike, scooter, I guess, bicycle, and balls, any kind. Here you increase the PSI. That's in kilograms now. Let me see if I can switch it. So here are the different parameters for bicycle, motorcycle, car, ball. Obviously you have to check what is the rating for what you are intended to inflate, but pretty simple. Oh, I thought it was charged, but it was barely charged. So we're gonna have to connect it. We'll come back later. It's dead now. So let's charge the unit here. There you go, it's charging. So we're gonna wait. Let's see how long it takes to charge. Let me see if it says anything here. It doesn't have a time estimate, but I'm gonna monitor here in the office and wait till it's fully charged. So it's been less than an hour and I already have almost 4 bars. Let's check it out now. Well, actually it's already charged fully, so we're ready to roll. I'm gonna find out about the light. So here we are. I already charged the pump, as you saw. Here's the indicator. I figure out also about these emergency lights that you see there. Pretty useful in case of an emergency. And also on this right button, this is how you turn on the LED light, which obviously now it's daylight. You won't see how powerful it is, but believe me, it is powerful. It's off now. And let's do a quick demonstration. I'm gonna take the air out of this tire in my bike. There it is. So let's find the right setting. Car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball. I'm gonna go for motorcycle. For bicycle, And let's see, 350. There it is. So we're ready with this. As with any other pumps that we've demonstrated recently, you can use this attachment, this exercise ball. So I switch to the ball setting. Let's do this quickly here so we don't lose much. I think it's good for now. And as I said, we're gonna Just do a little demonstration here with the GR Corolla. Amazing sports car. We turn it on again. Find the right setting. Car. As I also said, you have to check the parameters for whatever you're inflating. As you saw, there are some parameters for the actual pump. There you go. So obviously there are a lot of models out in the market. This is very good also, good value, and it works perfectly for all the intended purposes. Thumbs up.